Here's something almost nobody tells you. A brand new Bentley loses nearly half its value in 5 years. Half. That's a $200,000 sports car, turning into a $100,000 sports car while it sits in a heated garage doing absolutely nothing. And yet, some people still make an absolute fortune on their Bentley. Not by selling it, by buying the right one at the right moment. Because here's the truth. Bentley depreciation isn't a curse. For a smart buyer, it's the single greatest opportunity in the luxury car world. The trick is knowing exactly which models are worth every penny and which ones will quietly bankrupt you one $4,000 service at a time. So that's what we're doing today. We went through the pricing, the reliability data, the real-world ownership stories, and the depreciation numbers. And we ranked the 5 Bentley models you should actually buy in 2026, not the ones the brochure wants you to buy, the ones that make sense. We're counting down from number 5 all the way to the one Bentley that, frankly, is almost too good to ignore. And trust me, the top pick is going to surprise a lot of people. Let's start. Number 5. The Bentley Bentayga V8. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo SUV that sits at the very bottom of the range, starting around $226,000. Now, on paper, this is the sensible Bentley. It's the daily driver. School run in the morning, board meeting in the afternoon, and it never once feels out of place. The V8 is smooth, it's fast, and it tows like a truck while feeling like a spa. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. This is still a Bentley SUV, which means the maintenance will hunt you down. Owners report a minor service around every 10,000 miles, and a major service every 20,000 that can run right up to $4,000 in one visit. Over 5 years, expect close to $10,000 in upkeep, and that's if nothing dramatic breaks. The mechanic's reality is simple. The Bentayga shares bones with the Audi Q7 and the Lamborghini Urus, so parts exist. But the badge on the hood triples the invoice. Buy one used, let the first owner eat the depreciation, and it suddenly becomes one of the smartest luxury SUVs on the road. But if you think that service bill is scary, wait until you see what the next Bentley does to your wallet, because it plays a very different game. Number 4. The Bentley Flying Spur. Specifically, the used W12 and V8 sedans that are now flooding the market at prices that will make your jaw drop. Let me put this in perspective. A new Flying Spur in 2026 starts north of $300,000. But used ones? People are listing older Flying Spurs for under $60,000, some even lower. That is genuine supercar engineering, hand-stitched leather, and a rear seat that shames a private jet for the price of a mid-level pickup truck. This is where depreciation stops being a warning and starts being a weapon. The Flying Spur is arguably the best value luxury sedan on earth right now, if you buy it correctly. And here's the ownership reality. The secret is service history. A Flying Spur with a full, documented service record from someone who never blinked at the bills is a treasure. One with mystery gaps in its paperwork is a landmine. That 12-cylinder engine is a masterpiece when maintained and a money pit when neglected. So the play is clear. Skip the cheapest one. Find the pampered one. Pay a little more up front and save yourself a fortune later. But that's nothing compared to the machine sitting at number 3. Because this one isn't about saving money. It's about pure, unfiltered emotion. Number 3. The Bentley Continental GT. The convertible Grand Tour, now running Bentley's new V8 hybrid powertrain, with new models landing around $271,000 and climbing well past $400,000. Here's the thing about the GTC. On a spec sheet, it makes no sense. It's heavier than the coupe. It's more expensive than the coupe. And the moment you drop that roof, aerodynamics go out the window. And none of that matters. Not even slightly. Because there's nothing on this planet quite like folding the top down on a Bentley GTC, feeling the V8 hybrid surge, and gliding through a coastal road at sunset. This is a car that turns a boring commute into a memory. It's the one Bentley that makes you understand why people fall in love with the badge in the first place. The catch? A convertible is always a bigger gamble long-term. More moving parts in the roof, more weather exposure, more that can eventually go wrong. And with hybrid components now in the mix, the future repair bills are still a bit of an unknown. But if you want the Bentley that makes your heart race, the GTC vindicates every single dollar. It is the emotional core of the entire lineup. And this is where things get serious. Because the next 2 Bentleys aren't just good cars. They're the 2 you'd actually stake your money on. Number 2. The Bentley Flying Spur Speed, the 4-door sedan that refuses to choose between limousine and rocket ship. powered by a 4.0-liter V8 plug-in hybrid, making a monstrous 671 horsepower. Now, you might be thinking, wait, didn't we already talk about the Flying Spur? We did, but that was the used bargain play. This is a completely different animal because the Speed takes everything luxurious about the Flying Spur and then straps a supercar drivetrain underneath it. Think about what that means. This is a full-size luxury sedan with rear seats that feel like a first-class cabin that will still launch you to 60 miles per hour in around 3.3 seconds. It's silent when you want it silent. It's electric only for up to nearly 50 miles on the daily commute. And then, the moment you flatten the throttle, it turns into something genuinely violent. Here's why it earns a top 2 spot. It's the one Bentley that does absolutely everything. Drive it yourself, and it thrills you. Sit in the back and it pampers you. Plug it in and it sips electricity through the week. No other car in this lineup covers that much ground so convincingly. The ownership reality, though, is where you have to stay sharp. This is a plug-in hybrid, which means you're now maintaining a big V8, a full luxury sedan's worth of electronics, and a high-voltage battery system all at once. When everything works, it's magic. When something in that hybrid system goes wrong out of warranty, the repair bills are still a bit of an unknown. And that's a real gamble. The downside is honest. It's heavy, it's complex, and all that technology is more to eventually go wrong. But for its mission, being the one car that genuinely replaces 3, the Flying Spur Speed is nearly untouchable. But that still isn't the smartest Bentley you can buy in 2026. Because the number 1 pick does something none of the others can. It combines the best driving experience, the strongest identity, and the most rational buying case, all in one car. Number 1. The Bentley Continental GT. The coupe, the icon, the car that defined the entire modern Bentley era, now powered by that ultra-performance V8 hybrid, making a staggering 771 horsepower and hitting 60 in around 2.8 seconds. Let me be clear about what that number means. This is a hand-built luxury coupe, dripping in leather and wood, that will out-accelerate almost every dedicated sports car on the market. It is a grand tourer that happens to be a monster, comfort and violence, in one perfectly stitched package. But horsepower isn't why it's number 1. The Continental GT is the single most balanced ownership case in the Bentley lineup. New, it starts around $288,000, but it depreciates about 41% over 5 years, which means a lightly used, immaculate example becomes one of the most car-for-your-money experiences in the entire luxury world. You get flagship engineering, timeless design, and a badge that never stops turning heads, often for the price of a new base-model German sedan with all the options. The mechanics inside seals it. Because Bentley built so many Continentals, the support network is stronger, the parts are more available, and the community knowledge is deeper than any other model here. You are never guessing. You are never alone with a mystery problem. The catch, and there's always a catch, is that this car tempts you. It's so good that you'll want the biggest engine, the wildest spec, the highest trim, and that's where the price can run away from you fast. Discipline is everything, but buy a clean, well-kept Continental GT with a real service history, and you own the definitive Bentley, the one that does everything, the one you'll never want to sell. So let's step back and look at the pattern, because it's the most important lesson in this entire video. Every single Bentley worth buying comes down to 2 things: buy it used and buy it with proof of care. Let someone else absorb that brutal first wave of depreciation. Then find the example with a spotless service history. Because in the Bentley world, paperwork isn't boring. Paperwork is protection. Do that, and these cars go from financial nightmares to some of the greatest luxury bargains on the planet. Now I want to hear from you. If someone handed you the keys to one of these 5 tomorrow, which one are you driving home? The wild GTC convertible, the lounge on wheels EWB, or the icon itself? The Continental GT? Drop it in the comments. I read them.